Koma Brian yet Brian Ramaphosa ndakafuse ndamakuyang'ana mokhalangana kuti like iweyo ndamazati pamene pandimayankha kuti cha. Anyway guys,
I want to challenge by anyone. Just kumbuka kani yonja kuti akubi mwana kuti zapeleza kutsika ndingwa fonsa ukati kwa simu kusiba tukumbe tani dilo kabela sana kumbe tani amizo sana akumbe sana mwamni zapeleza kutsika ndingwa MCPC na ongeza remember don't yes MCP sina ongeza kupeleza wa 4951 MCP never Goma Tonsi Alliance with the MCP 2019 kabeza ni pamene kufunga vetting mmoja 2019 yes the manifesto ya Malawi Party onali dezabeleza uchi Goma manifesto ya ITM sinali ndamba ine monga mkamene ndamano dezabeleza na bila kwa Azerbaijan kwa dezabeleza Kazakhstan Iran Beni Madrid Dubai China yaendeapo makampo anopanga federeza waliide kumene oga federeza nenda kwa kwambia ndangojia ikura zatu ndo akukutamuka aliingia sawa sedita pangano alliance inafu sana udia izizi muzaona fukumu nomo muzazi ya kumasokoni kabisa sabu kujika yeno tutagoa koma anafunga zatu kodi kani meni iba ngabaje udia itanina which is very important, very important. Kipanga alliance tuunigane kuna manifesto kisa niso ngati hizo kwa moto kuti iyayi ngani muli zoti alonjeza tuzika ikira panopo ndaphunzira tichikane lipompa popeza kuizo jamana MCPC dakani bati ndizi sitika kwa nisi Kanya 1 million kwa maana mafuna hii investment MCP ngadi mune na kuifuliza ije si ndani na hizi muzadi ya manisani wangu sana ni baki inanena kuti madai mineo tinakutana mafuta leanza tunakudia ndima maro ziloteka ndiye pajikubili uja anatuwa sagaigile those are lending curves that push down going to go. That's why we're coming out in the open saying this. You know, munali putani 100%. Ngaba mkuba ya. Ngamba kuti sola la 1 million jobs. 1 million jobs. 1 million. 1 million jobs. Yeah, kanya 1 million jobs. Even if you UTM today. Malawi Congress Party sinagamba kuti 1 million. That's a fact. Kwa Tonsi Alliance through manifesto ida kwa mbali mdagwa nyemba ndi mteza kuja rimosi kutenga zao kuliza ukufeni ili usokoro kimosi I remember hiyo again kama ndopanda hata bila kwanza kudia ile mwisho kuleba my job is to na kudia mpange bwana arandu kwa ye ajakwera au kana dada that is why I didn't go amudi usakauze akina yose na fursa na kufuna
What I know is engineering. Consult, work together, and move forward.
Masiku atsala 24. Siteka tumene.
Odi vajawani vanikuchini kuzi. So karosi mozi. Ombea alipita kumaji au makochi. St. Augustine, 7 September, mozi. Kena agono. Mali tozose. 3 September. Start the ground. We are there last time. Gauzina Mudino, Tukudi Banji, Abu MCP, 6 September.
And Haga for MCP Chipachan.
Ajabena, African Fundo, fight. Wealth creation, job creation, food security, governance reforms, Komanso, Kambaza, public service delivery. Kumenelo, Abu Kumba, Iweyo, Uzanga ni public service delivery. Look at what reforms here. It is about over. Don't know the Amumba, a public service delivery. Trade Kupanga. Zimene sisi zipite pena pale kose kuona kudi antu abeza service
For our English audience,
yes.
there are two issues that are coming out in your campaign, and you're disassociating yourself with the promise of 1 million jobs and the promise of 4,950 price for a bag of fertilizer. You are saying this is not your promise, and you are putting the blame to UTM. Is that fair politics? I want you to answer this question in English. In English, for our English audience.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm not disassociating myself with CP from the promise. What I'm giving the people in the background, that in 2019, all of you are journalists, investigating ones, go and read manifesto of MCP for 2019. There was no mention of 1 million jobs. There was no mention of fertilizer costing 4.950. But the Tonse Alliance manifesto, which you never find, because whenever the Tonse manifesto, we had the UTM, MCP, PP, whatever alliance manifesto put together, but there's no document for 2020. But I'm not blaming anyone. I'm telling you, blame. That's what I'm saying that who is Ojamana, I don't know in English. I'm putting it by my child. Voters are not present, I don't know. But the point is, we are so big by making us believe that when we question that, they say we know about it's our more like IP. We know what it's about. But when we cross over, we explain to you. And when we cross over, we are never given the right answer that way.
I talked to the Tonse Alliance candidate that time, His Excellency Lazarus Chakwera. He mentioned about these things. And is it fair now to disassociate yourself with that promise? Because he owned this promise.
Owned it,
Yeah.
and he promised, and we all rallied behind that, because we believed in the integrity of one's politics. When you answer someone with integrity, sometimes you find that the integrity is broken by one mechanism. And we were told ourselves politics, we were like, oh, okay, what own it? We have to own it, and we still own it. We're not blaming anyone. We are owning
You're blaming UTM.
No. We are owning it, but we are giving the people the background. It's up to people to say we are blaming or not, but I'm just giving the people the background.
And the same on the 1 million.
Oh yes, why not? Oh yes. But when the same, let me explain this in English. Jobs are in twofold. There are what we call self-employment and getting employed. Both are forms of employment. Government does not employ. It employs servicemen, civil servants, who create an environment for businesses and investments to grow. At the moment, go to GHRMD, the civil service is 266,800, the number. Less than 10,000. Government cannot employ at the moment because it's not enough.
So you saw the DPA here.
It's enough. But the government creates a conducive environment for investors here. I was mentioning there that last month we are launching about Pesa Patrol, who have invested $100 million and are getting jobs directly, about 200 jobs, and indirectly farmers who are supplying them with soya, because the soya that Malawi produces cannot meet the demand for Bakresa. So we need more farmers. People should get loan from me, go farming to supply Bakresa. thereby creating jobs indirectly. So the government creates an environment for businesses to sprout, for to grow, and again for investments to grow. So we are busy doing that. That's why we are busy with the loan. Nationalist Bank, we're busy with the loan.
You are distancing yourselves from these two promises. Why should Malawians vote for you again this 16th September?
I'm saying it again and again. I'm not distancing myself, but I'm giving the background and explaining all what happened and what has done. And that's why Malawi Congress Party this time around said we go solo. We don't want to make promises based on an agreement. If anyone wants, we want an agreement. I was going to vote as well. There are some things going on. I cannot discuss that. But one of the key things in alliance discussions, let's discuss on the statement so that we don't sell the diamond. Let's brand Banda interview again on a promise that we'll put someone that they'll do it while
Those that are watching us tonight, why should they vote for MCB?
It's because of Dr. Chakwera. Number one, he's a man of integrity, a man of honesty, who never see Chakwera insulting anyone or maybe giving involved along. He's a man who is truthful and he owns up to mistakes. There's never been a president who has owned up mistakes. And again, he respects the rule of law and democracy. You've seen him, the only president that goes to parliament to ask a question and face the audience. That's what he's trying to instill in us. That's why today myself, he told me, go, ask people questions and do it because you're my do as I said. And I think
We want to thank you, the Right Honorable Mumba, for taking your time to talk to us and living this openly. And we wish you well.